Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 best earning app without investment game. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before moving ahead, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know 10 best money earning games without investment for Android. 1. Winzo Gold Game. Winzo Gold is India's largest gaming platform. Users may play more than 100 games here, including fantasy cricket, and earn real money without investment. Popular games include Pool, Carom, Connect 4, Ludo, and many more. Therefore, use Winzo Gold app to enhance your strategies and get rapid cash. 2. RummyCircle. Another popular money-earning game is RummyCircle. It is a fun card matching game you can play anytime, anywhere. Players can participate in cash games and tournaments. Also, the platform offers referral bonuses and daily contests, making it a popular choice for card game lovers who want to earn money through their skills. 3. Speed Ludo. Speed Ludo is the most loved game to play and pay money. Move across the Ludo board to make your pawns reach home and earn points. This is one of the best Ludo games that offers amazing bonuses and cash prizes. You can easily get this app on your Google Play Store. 4. Gamezy Fantasy and Rummy app. This is a fantasy sports platform where you can play games like cricket, football, and more. Other than fantasy, the most popular games right now are Carom, Ludo, Pool, Rummy, Fruit Slice, and many others. You can also create your own team of players and win cash prizes. 5. MPL app. MPL is a popular mobile gaming platform in India that offers a variety of games, including fantasy sports, shooting games, racing games, and more. Players can participate in tournaments and win real cash prizes. 6. PokerBaazi app. PokerBaazi is a leading online poker platform in India that offers cash rewards for playing poker. Players can participate in cash games and multi-table tournaments to win real cash prizes. You can easily get this app on your Google Play Store. 7. Fruit Spear, Play and Earn. Fruit Spear provides you the most exciting addictive gameplay of fruit hitting and shooting spears. You just need to hit spears to win, and once the game ends, the pot money gets credited to your account and can be withdrawn instantly. 8. Quizzy. Quizzy is undoubtedly on the best pay cash earning games without investment. It is the most fun quiz game to play. You must be quick to answer all questions correctly in all rounds to win the game. 9. Loco. Loco is a unique gaming platform that offers real-time quiz contests where players can win cash rewards. The platform hosts live quizzes on various topics, and players can participate in these quizzes and compete with other players to win cash prizes. 10. 1-11 Fantasy Cricket, Rummy. 1-11 is another great game that's perfect for casual gamers. You can play it anytime, anywhere, and you need to just download, log in and start playing to pay cash. Hence, you can easily get all these apps on your Google Play Store. So, these are the 10 money earning games without investment for Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.